Yeah, I actually gave you a demo last year.
You did. I'm getting another one.
Yeah, I follow you on YouTube too.
Yes, sir, man.
How you been doing, man?
Pretty good. How about you?
Doing good. Yeah, I want to get a demo from you before we leave today.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't get to hear yours last year.
Yeah. So tell us what you got in here, man.
I got 4 Scar VXF 15s. I got a Cal 45, one of the new ones. And I got another one coming, but hadn't came in yet, so I'm using a VXF 2.5.
Okay.
2.5 comp. So not as much power as I want, but it's doing a job. It's in a 6th order.
Good deal, man. And see, guys, this is what I'm talking about right here. The last time I seen that.
Oh yeah, that's right.
See that? Y'all go back to my
push button.
Yeah, y'all go back through my videos. Y'all will see that.
All right, let's see. Let me find you a good song here.
All right. Nice little speaker bass knob there.
That's right.
I believe your son came over and got a demo from me too.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he did.
Okay.
He told me he was over here. I'm like, you know what? I done demoed that truck before, but I definitely want to hear it again.
Oh yeah. Man, this song right here, for some reason, I just keep going back to it. It's so loud. Now wait a minute. I actually just listened to another one. Too much music.
Oh yeah, a bunch of music to go through, man. And then you find yourself going back to the same tone.
Yep.
I just get paid. I ain't got a deal, but I got a race. I'm out of shape.
It's not too bad. When I get my other 4.5, I think it's really gonna wake it up.
Man, that is hitting so hard. Can I see the amps?
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's that new,
tell us about it.
That new Cal 45 right there. Which I had to pay a little extra to get that one early. Yeah, I should have my other one within the next couple of weeks.
Okay.
But yeah, so I'm just using that VXF in the meantime. I got 100 amp hours of lithium there, and then I got 200 amp hours of ATM.
This is a nice idea right here.
Oh yeah.
Closest to them. This is nice, man. Appreciate the demo
Yes,
again,
sir,
man.
yes, sir.
Thank you.
When you gonna be back over George?
Right now?
So yes. How it make me feel, Here we go. Sometimes I get.
Hell yeah.
Like I said, I still got a lot more power to, you know,
Oh,
put
yeah.
into it.
What
so.
kind of amp you run?
27500.
Okay.
Yeah, full Wolfram system.
Yep,
So,
yep.
Yeah.
That's right. I remember seeing that on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's powered down to half ohm and everything, but like
Yes.
I said, you know, I'm just right now taking it easy on it.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You
quick.
gotta let them break in first.
Yeah, let it break
Shoot.
in, and then I pump that volume up,
That's right.
pump my amps up a little bit more.
Yep.
And then it's on.
That's right. That's right. Man, I appreciate
Man,
it.
appreciate
It
you
sounds
checking it
great.
out, man.
Sounds
Yeah,
great.
thank you.